Are you ready to discover the keys to financial independence and prosperity? Then watch this video to the end and you will learn how to accumulate, save and increase your money. Max was an ordinary little boy who loved to spend time outside and explore the world. One day, while walking in the park, he accidentally met an old man named Sam. Sam was an old but very wise man who had silver hair and a penetrating eye. Sam spoke to Max and told him about the importance of financial literacy and entrepreneurship. He explained that financial literacy is the ability to manage money and understand how it works. Sam told Max that money can be a powerful tool if you know how to use it properly. Max was very interested in Sam's story and started asking questions. He learned that entrepreneurship is the ability to create your own business and achieve success. Sam told Max that entrepreneurship gives you the opportunity to bring your ideas to life. Be your own boss and make decisions. Inspired by Sam's words, Max began to think about the first business. He thought about what idea he could implement. Max realized that it was important to have a clear vision and goals for your business. He began to plan how to implement his idea and what resources he would need. Max learned about the need for a business plan. He realized that it was important to have a clear action plan and strategy for developing his business. The boy began to learn how to write a business plan, define goals, analyze the market, and understand the needs of customers. Every day, Max went deeper into planning his first business. He realized that it was important to be organized and patient in order to achieve his goals. Sam's words gave him great inspiration and motivation to start his first business. Max was enthusiastic and ready to start his first business. He began to think about what kind of product he could create and sell. He came up with various ideas, from handmade crafts to delicious cookies. Max decided that his first product will be handmade crafts. He loved creativity and knew how to do interesting things with his own hands. Max began to make a variety of crafts from various materials: paper, cardboard, fabric and wood. He learned to use various tools and techniques to make his crafts special and unique. Max then proceeded to sell his products. He learned about the importance of quality and customer satisfaction. Max understood that in order to successfully sell his crafts, he would need to create high quality and attractive products. He learned how to choose the best materials and how to pay attention to detail so that each craft is unique and attractive to the buyer. Max also learned how to market his products and find his target audience. He took photos of his crafts, created social media pages, and participated in local fairs and exhibitions. Max understood the importance of being visible and capturing the attention of potential customers. Max learned from Sam about the importance of financial management and business. He began tracking his income and expenses by keeping records of his finances. Max realized that it was important to be in control of his finances and understand how much money was coming in and going out of his business. Sam taught Max how to determine how much of his business income to put aside. Max realized that it was important to have financial stability and a reserve for future needs. He began to set aside part of his income in a special bank account in order to have a reserve of funds for the development of his business and unexpected expenses. Every day, Max developed more and more in creating and selling his products. He got better at making crafts and offering quality products to his customers. He sees his efforts starting to pay off and his business growing. Max noticed that more and more people are interested in his products. His crafts become popular and he gets more and more orders. Max rejoices in the success of his business and understands that hard work and dedication pay off. However, Max also recognizes that as the business grows, new demands arise. He starts thinking about ways to expand and improve his business. Max thinks about how to increase production to meet the growing demand and how to improve the quality of his products. Max discusses his idea with Sam, who supports his desire to grow and develop. Sam shares his advice and wise advice. He reminds Max of the importance of maintaining the quality of his products and customer satisfaction. Sam tells Max that satisfied customers are the best advertisement and the key to long-term success. Max starts looking for new opportunities to expand our business. He is looking for new material suppliers to get the best material for his crafts. He also is considering setting up an online store to expand your customer base and sell your crafts to other cities and countries. Max learned how to manage finances, track income and expenses, and save money for future needs. He also realized the importance of maintaining the quality of his products and customer satisfaction. Max realized that entrepreneurship is a continuous process of growth and development, and he is ready to continue his entrepreneurial journey with confidence and openness to new opportunities.